Self-adhesive book cover pull leather sheet, DIY kit leather cover, self-stick leather novel cover, for Offic School Bible. Made in Korea. Designed by MorisKorea. MorisKorea is not just a leather craft shop. Beyond leather craft, I am a producer who provides design, sensibility, and convenience beyond leather craftsmanship. Moris Studios product images or text are protected by intellectual property rights. This is to inform you that stealing images or text without permission may lead to legal dispute. Recommended self-bookmark reform leather sheet. You can reform the old, cracked and peeled book cover. If you prepare just one pair of scissors, you can easily work alone. If you want to hide the cover. Made in 16 leather colors best fit. YouTube video self-bookmark reform guide for creating pretty books. One. Before you order, please check the size of the book you want to reform the cover of the book and order it. Two. Turn Moris's book cover reform leather upside down on the floor. Place the book in the center and fold the top and bottom end lines to mark it. Three. Cut it at an angle of 45 degrees with scissors along the fold. The point is to cut carefully because the leather is difficult to restore once it is cut. Four. If it is confirmed to be cut properly, remove the white paper from the back of the Moris leather sheet and attach it to the center of the book. Five. If it's attached to the desired location, you can also put the front and back cover of the book. Six. It is already the finishing stage. Cut the corners of the front and back covers at an angle of 45 degrees with scissors, and then paste them in the order of top, bottom, side. Seven. Are you surprised that you've easily snapped and reformed the book cover with leather? Finally, once in a while, you have to swipe your palm and rub it to see if it's not glued. Eight. The process may be difficult at first, but it takes 5 to 10 minutes for those who are doing it for the first time, and those who are getting used to it can finish it in 3 minutes. Nine. You can reform your books and change them into Moris leather cover DIY kit, such as old Bible books, old books, and diaries. Purchasers from all over the world can order. I have informed you of the product order information for further viewing of the video below.